Disappearing is a self-improvement framework for improving your worth, and in turn, increasing the quality of person you are. The more you expose your life, the more people will find ways to bring you down. It's a natural sociological phenomenon. There's a unique power in disappearing and working in the shadows. Becoming unavailable and committing to your personal growth in secret can be exhilarating. Knowing that your transformation will astonish everyone when you re-emerge is exciting. But the truth is, when you finally reappear, you won't care about their opinions because you'll have learned in the shadows that the only opinion that truly matters is your own. Let's dive into how to do this the right way. We'll break it down into 3 key parts. First, how to disappear. Second, what to do in the shadows. And third, how to reappear. Messing up any part of this, especially the last, could lead to regret. Let's get into it. Number 1, keep quiet. Your mouth betrays you more than you realize. You need to control it. Stop speaking openly about your life to anyone, including family, friends, and co-workers. The only exception might be your life partner, but only if they genuinely support your success. Controlling your mouth will be challenging at first, because it's natural to share information. You need to fight this urge to truly disappear. Learn to catch thoughts before they leave your mouth. Become a mystery to everyone, and you'll be able to move in the shadows. Number 2, only care about your own opinion. To disappear and stay hidden, you must reprogram your mind. Stop caring about what others think. People don't really care about you as much as you think, but your actions are often dictated by their perceived opinions. Kill that part of you that cares about others' opinions. Instead, create a person in your mind. That person is you, and obsess over what they think about you. Would you be proud of yourself? Would you be happy with what you've done? This shift in perspective will make you less of a puppet to others and more in control of your life. This takes practice and repetition. Number 3, keep your plans to yourself. You'll develop ambitious plans on this journey and feel excited to share them. Don't. Keep your plans close, like the passwords to your treasure. Imagine that every time a part of your plan leaks out, your chances of achieving it decrease by 5%. Sharing your plans satisfies others, but harms you. Be intentional and precise. If you need advice or expertise, seek it out carefully, revealing only the bare minimum needed to obtain the knowledge. Then disappear again. Number 4, conceal your progress. Progress will come, albeit slowly, but it will arrive. You'll notice that progress is easier when you disappear. However, don't let anyone see it. Don't show off your improved physique, wealth, or skills. Focus on progressing even more. Disappearing is only worthwhile if it leads to complete transformation. Returning to your old ways, mid-transformation, can reverse all your progress, putting you back at square one. Resist the urge to share your changes. Use that energy to fuel further efforts. Recycling this energy can help you reach the next level in your journey. Number 5, hide your pain. Going into stealth mode or monk mode, or whatever you call it, and excelling in the shadows will be tough. You'll face physical and mental fatigue, and you might bleed or cry after facing obstacles that stand between you and progress. Your instinct might be to complain to a close friend or seek comfort from your family. Resist this. You'll need to endure the pain alone. Scream into the void, let the tears flow, and patch up your wounds by yourself. Let these moments of struggle build your strength and character. Each rock-bottom moment should propel you to a higher level of performance. It's in these painful moments that a new version of you emerges. Embrace the pain, and even look forward to it. This is true beast mode. Now, we're ready to transform. Step 1, define your goals. To become something through this process, you need to know what that something is. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Whether you aim to get incredibly fit or build a successful business, be clear about your goals. Write them down and place them where you can see them, but make sure no one else can. Step 2, structure your life around achieving your goals. Every waking hour should be planned to drive towards your goals. Be obsessed with your mission as if it's your one chance in life. Dedicate every breath to it. Make everything you do intentional and aligned with your goals. Move to a place near your gym or class that supports your goals. Join courses that teach the skills you need. Time box your day to ensure you spend several hours daily on your transformation. Dedicate time each week to review and update your plan. Track your progress and break down larger goals into manageable tasks. Do whatever it takes. Step 3. Reprogram your mind. You must love this disappearing act and the process of excelling in the shadows. Initially, it will feel strange, but eventually, you'll find yourself enjoying the pain and the anonymity. This shift in thinking is crucial for your positive transformation. Embrace the change and help it happen. After that, reappear. After achieving your transformation, you might realize you don't need to reappear. If done right, you won't care about reappearing. You'll have become one with the shadows, and your life will have transformed beyond your expectations. You'll continue to excel, pursue bigger goals, and remain a mystery to most. You'll find peace in the shadows and a new life far better than the one you left behind. If you want to learn about an incredible life cheat code, check out this video here. Subscribe to our channel